that sounds good. Okay. First off, thanks to everyone who came out to Spooky Show. It was great. Yeah, you were there. Okay. This one, I don't think I've ever done this one here before, but it's pretty new. Came out this year. Last year, yeah. It's on Turquoise Delusion. This one's called I Can Read You Like a Floppy Disk, and it's about someone I used to know.
Use the wrong type of diskette, and you may get error messages.
I dug you in the slack, discarded CD-ROM.